Okay, like 30 minutes later, my meat, the chicken, it's all cooked, and it should just fall apart from the actual, like it should just fall apart. Whoa. And I don't know if this probably needs a little bit more cooking or not, but it should just like come apart like that. So it's evenly cooked, because to do this when it's raw is super hard, because the meat is like connected. Like fibers on a cloth. And then like if you leave the cloth outside exposed to the sunlight, it'll just deteriorate. So anyway, yeah, this is good to go. And this is what my mom does when she cooks to like make pulled pork. This really here just removes all the chicken or all the meat from the bone. And I think you should even have to struggle. And I don't know if I'm struggling, but so far I don't think I am. I am a little bit because I can't use my other hand. But there's no blood on the bone. No blood on the meat. This is the seasoning. And like this, I can even throw away the skin. But it won't harm you or hurt you if you eat it. And yeah. This is probably like the safest way to cook your meat. And without creating a bunch of mess, because I use my my little tool yesterday, this one over here that I bought at Kohl's, and it still smells like chicken in here. The Toastmaster electric skillet thing, and I cleaned it and everything, but it gets really messy. The pan does. It's already a little bit stained. I was cooking it right there with the little light, but it's definitely easier to do it this way. And see that? It just comes apart. It should, at least. It shouldn't. It should just be, yeah, like that. It's good. And there's a lot of pieces already floating around in there. And if you're unsure, you can always like break it up on purpose like this in here. just so I could cook evenly and thoroughly. But it'll be easier if you use 2 utensil things or forks or whatever you want to use. See that? It should do that. It should just come apart. And yeah, it's good to go. And what I love about it is all the bones, all the meat just falls off the bone to quickly separate it. And, you know, throw that in, put some seasoning on it, put that in some tacos, or use sauces, you know, pour a little bit of sauce. And there you go, you're a cook, official cook in your own house. And I paid like under $10 for this, and I bought, what did I buy? I bought this chicken here and something else. I forget what else I bought, but it was like $10. And like I said, I've been having this for 30 minutes now. Now it's over 30 minutes. And I just put it on my phone. I have it on high, kind of. See that? But it's getting stuck, but overall, look at that. Bam. That's what should be happening. It just kind of looks like I'm struggling because I'm using one hand, but yeah, and then you can separate the cartilage, the joint things from the bone, but you could eat it if you want. A lot of people eat this, the joint thing. It's optional. Anyway, yeah, that's how you do it, and that's how you know that it's fully cooked. And then, so you want to like inspect it if you're doing it in the microwave, cooking it in the microwave with, you know, fully submerged with water. And I guess I could attach this to my other video, and I'll just make that a part 1 and this a part 2.